Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I did forget to go back to the PedFlex and video the can lights. So this picture was from yesterday. Worked on a little bit of the changes in the PedFlex, but more on that tomorrow because it was like 5 minutes. But moving on to what I did today, well, me and my apprentice did today. Had my apprentice working on these lights right here. We added 2 more lights in the CHR shop. So before there was 8 lights before, so now there's 10, and there might be talks of adding 2 more lights. But went ahead and had him add these onto the existing strut that was already there, following the same format, matching the other lights on the other side of this little wood cubby. So went ahead and had him do this, wire this up, and then we pulled the wire through there, added some new wire to pull through the circuit, or through the pipe, because it needed an extension of the circuit. And then from there, went ahead and what I was working on was this 1/2-inch pipe right here. There's 2 LBs, the one on the left, the far left pipe, and then the one coming out of the door going into a 4 and 11 junction box, and then piping up with a back-to-back 90 for some low voltage going into the door for the door strike with a card reader. So I worked on that today, and I think that pretty much wraps it up. More stuff in the CHR tomorrow once they're done polishing the floors or whatever. So I'll keep you posted on that, and I'll try to get I'll try to get the video for the can lights and the other stuff that we've been working on in the window wall inside of the PedFlex. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one. God bless. Peace.